Okay, so we're here in Ao Nang. We got a pretty cool marlin fish here. I think it's a marlin, some kind of fish. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I'll just kind of show you a little bit of Ao Nang as well. But basically you have limestone cliffs up above. He has restaurants like that over there. Tuk-tuk drivers that take you different places. I've seen a lot of Indian restaurants. There's Nore Indian restaurant. It's interesting. So there we go. And you can also see the beach a little bit too. Yeah, I guess the sun's gonna go down over here. Zoom in on those boats a little bit. Looks like he has like music instead of music instrument. I can't see. Anyways, whatever it is, that's kind of cool. And then you got people all up and down the beach, but they're just kind of walking around. The sun is out, so it's not really Somebody's running in. I'm taking pictures of the sunset. That one is okay. We got all this down here, all the way down. Then we have all this here. And then you see some limestone cliffs way over there. Okay, I'm going to end this with this seeing the fish again. So this is the waterfront of Ao Nang.
Toma cuidado la